Hi bestie! Welcome back sa aking channel kung saan ay nagpapublish ako ng videos every week about personal finance, business, self-development at kung ano-ano pang content that will bring out the best version of you. Dito lang sa Pinoy Best You. For today's video, I will share with you 5 patok na business ideas under 50k. But before that, did you know that 96.9% of my viewers are currently not subscribed? Kung nagugustuhan mo ang content ng channel ko ay please consider subscribing. It will be a big help for me and my channel and I would really appreciate it. Thanks bestie! Now, on to the video. Narito ang 5 patok na negosyo under 50,000 pesos. Number 1. Pet care and services business. Pet care and services have always been around for a long time and parami na din ang nag-o-open ng pet care businesses nila. Pero don't fall into the trap of thinking na saturated na ang negosyong ito. Kahit parami ang mga pet care business owners, mas mabilis naman ang paglaki ng market nito. Isa ito sa mga negosyong hindi nawawala ng customers dahil sa panahon ngayon ay normal na sa mga Pinoy ang pagkakaroon ng pets that are treated like their own family or their own children. Madami kang option sa negosyong ito. Pet foods, pet hygiene products, pet accessories, pet grooming, or even pet breeding. Di mo kailangan ng malaking capital dito. 50k is more than enough to start small. Number 2. Online food delivery business. Food is life, sabi nga ng karamihan. Kaya naman, ang food business ay siguradong patok sa Pinoy. Mix it with online services and siguradong mas mabilis mong marireach ang target customers mo. You can do it on a barangay level or kung nakatira ka sa loob ng village, you can target yung mga kapitbahay mo. Napakadali lang nito and you can even do it on weekends kung busy ka sa work sa weekdays. Magluto ka lang ng merienda and i-post mo sa FB group ng barangay or village nyo, siguradong meron at merong o-order sa'yo. Keep in mind lang bestie, the keyword is delivery. So you need at least isang bike or any form of transportation to deliver the food to your customer. That's why included ito sa listahan ng under 50k. Dahil kung wala ka pang bike, I suggest you get one. Tapos kabitan mo ng basket or any container para paglagyan ng food na ide-deliver mo. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na iniinda ng mga Pinoy yung extra cost just to have their food delivered to their doorstep. Number 3. Retail business. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang retail sa listahang ito. Regardless kung anong category ng products mo, whether it's food retail, tech-related, apparel, or the good old sari-sari store, retail business is a proven and tested business na hindi mawawala sa uso. You don't even need a full 50k for this business. You can start small and kapag nagkaroon na ng traction ang business mo, you can start expanding your retail business. If you want food retail, you can sell frozen goods. For apparel retail naman, you can make your own designer shirts and then you can sell it online. For tech retail, you can sell PC or laptop accessories or even cell phone accessories and you can set up a Lazada store or Shopee store. You can also try sari-sari store or even a small grocery store kung may extra space ka sa garahe ng bahay mo. Maraming possibilities sa retail. You just have to find the one thing that suits you. Number 4. Online services business. In other words, online freelancing. One of the biggest things the pandemic had taught the Filipino people is the fact that work-from-home online jobs can be a good alternative to traditional industrial economy jobs. But I consider this as a business rather than a traditional employment. Why? Dahil parang negosyo din ito. There's no such thing as what we call job security. But the income is definitely higher than traditional employment jobs in the Philippines. Another reason why I consider this a business is because you're selling a product. The product is yourself, your expertise, and your services. With a capital of 50k, you can buy a new laptop and upgrade your internet subscription if necessary. Tapos, punta ka sa freelancing websites and promote your services there. And sooner or later, you will get clients. Madami kang freelancing websites na pagpipilian gaya ng Fiverr, FreeUp, Online Jobs PH, Upwork at madami pang iba. Search mo lang bestie, madami diyang tutorials about online freelancing. Number 5. Drone rental business. Konting background lang to summarize all the different world economies that we've been through. We have the industrial economy noong early 1900s, consumer economy at around 1950s, information economy when the internet was invented around 1980s, and now we are currently in the creator economy kung saan consumers are consuming more and more media content every day. And kasabay nga ng pag-usbong ng creator economy ay ang pag-usbong ng content creators. A drone rental business complements the content creators, and hindi lang content creators, pati na rin yung ibang businesses that offers different services like photography and videography, wedding and events coverage, etc. This is also a good time to start a drone rental business because drone prices are dropping rapidly. Hindi tulad noon na napakamahal ng drone. Ngayon, madami ng option sa market na mas mura pero quality pa rin. Just like other businesses in this list, you can start this business in just under 50k. At ito ang 5 patok na negosyo under 50,000 pesos. Kung meron kang naiisip na patok na negosyo under 50k, comment naman sa baba para ma-share din natin sa mga beste nating naghahanap ng negosyong pwede nilang simulan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay pakiclick naman ang like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa future videos ko that will bring out the best version of you. Dito lang sa Pinoy Best You. Maraming salamat sa panonood.